Hello guys, welcome back to my video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you top 3 website if you are bored. So you can use this website for entertainment. First website is this one. You have to type over here on your browser and you have to click over this first link, and after that it will take some few seconds to load. And you can see the 3D house over here. You can just click and build up houses right over here. You can see over here. And the next website is, go to Google Chrome and type for this, and after that click the first link. The interface will look something like this. Click over here. In front of you it will have a game. You can play for a long back hike and you can play this game. So guys, the next website is, type over here on your Google and open this first link again. You can see you are having games. For example, I will prefer for this car game, and you can click over here, run game. Start. That's all in this video. Leave a like and don't forget to share with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.